just acquired this absolutely beautiful BMW. It's the X5 V8, a host of extras. So you've got the carbon body kit on it, the upgraded alloy wheels, absolutely lovely condition. Lovely white paintwork, quad exhaust, electric tailgate. It's all immaculate in there. Got the luggage cover. Interior really does make a good contrast. Panoramic roof, carbon fibre inlays, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats, heated steering wheel, automatic headlights. There's a long list of extras on this car. Electric heated steering wheel, got lane assist. It's done 93,703 miles. We've got paddle shift on the gearbox, your special M1 and M2 buttons for setting your pre-settings and how you want the vehicle to drive, your heated seats, got the full media package, got the satellite navigation, different driving styles, surround camera, hill descent, aux and USB. It's probably a lot more than I've missed, but it is absolutely loaded, as you can see. Bluetooth connectivity, obviously. Sounds awesome, drives awesome. Very comprehensive service history. It's just been serviced by ourselves, just going to have an MOT as well. If you require any further information, please just call 07503 751 005. Thank you.